Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Torres and today I will be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing and swatching. Okay, first thing first, this is the paper of it. It says BoxyCharm Getaway and it tells you all the things that I have and how much they cost and what do they do. So okay, first thing first, I'm gonna do from small to big. Okay, so I got this Dominic Cosmetics lip gloss, I believe. It's a cute packaging, it's pretty nice. It's beautiful. Okay, right here it's lemonade lip gloss and says add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominic Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long lasting and flexible, so you can wear alone or layer over your favorite lipstick. Okay, I'm not gonna try it on. I'm gonna do a swatch. Yeah, I should try it on. Let's swatch it. Come on. Oh, there you go. Oh, pretty. There you go. And this how it looks. Lemonade. It's beautiful. It looks like a pencil from the inside. You know, pretty. And well, oh, you see? You see it? It's pretty. And if we swatch it here, it's like a light fair flamingo color. Flamingo, yeah, flamingo. Oh, it fell. And you can see it. Pretty. There you go. Much better. Pretty. Can we go get this? We're good. Every now, I'm gonna be taking it out. The door is so moisty. Okay. We just use one. Ooh, they gave us 3 masks. 3 masks. And honestly, very excited to try this because my skin is really bad right now. So let's see what does it do. Okay, it's Skin and Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Wipe. Oh no, it's not that one. My bad. It's Haru Wonder Maki Berry Antioxidant Max Trial Pack. What this mask do is containing extracts of Maki Berry. This Haru Wonder Maki Berry mask provides your skin with antioxidant and anti-aging effects. Patented technology in this mask encourages your skin to do healthy skin functions like regeneration, anti-inflammation, and targets many skin perfections. The sheet is made of friendly 100% pure cotton without non-chlorine bleaching process that allows a delicate touch with enhanced adherence with the skin. And this retails for $9. $9, just 9. Okay. And the other one, it was how much? 17. Oh, look, that's like the same price as the box already, pretty much. Well, I'm not gonna try this on right now, probably later in the night after I come from work, because I already put my cream, my serums on my face, and don't want to wash it away. Okay, so we have 2 things down. Now I'll be doing, okay, let's do the Skin and Aroma Truffle Therapy Whipping Cleansing Cream. So it's how it looks. Let's see. It looks, the packaging looks nice. It has like a golden, it's a golden reflection, like foil, and it's pretty. I don't want to open it because I still have the last one from the last cleaning from the last BoxyCharm box from last month, and I'm trying to finish that one first. I could use this one because, you know, if I open it, you know, who knows, they could expire easily. Okay, and then from that one I'll go to Touch in Soul, like the sun, Touch in Soul. Okay, No Problem Prime Essence. So it's another primer, I would say. There's the packaging. I think it's so pretty. I'm so Touch in Soul. The packaging is pretty. Okay. So it says that let your makeup stay a while your new Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with calendula or fishnut flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Okay, one thing first. 2 months ago, I would say they gave us another primer with the same name, same product. No, not same product. From the same cosmetic line, and I love that primer. That primer is so freaking good, and if I love that primer, the one from 2 months ago, then I'm pretty sure I will love this one as well. I'm trying to finish the other one so I could just start using that one. So it's how it looks. The inside, do not want to open it until I finish the other one. It's gonna go inside its box again and stay there for a while. Okay, so that'll leave us with the last thing I already did 4. So this is the big ones from all of them. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 version 3, not sure. Okay, and this says that meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette B3 formulated with Amazonian clay delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted diminution look. And this retails for $45, so it's more than a box. And I forgot to mention the other ones, but too bad. Oh well, I skipped them. I wanted to see the packaging. Okay, I love it. I like it a lot. I love how the texture of it, how it feels. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels good. Like, it feels good. Okay, and how you open this, it's like a little 2-door thing, like a little closet. When you open it, it goes like this, and this little paper falls down, so we don't need that. And it has 2 little mirrors on the side. Okay, that's how it looks. So for this one, I'll be swatching. Oh look at that. You could do this. You make them together so they could look like that. The mirror. Okay, but you could stick them to the back and go like this. That looks pretty. That looks so beautiful. Okay, so I'll be swatching the top left corner. The name of it is Dance Floor. It's Dance Floor. Okay, so I'll be swatching. Ooh. Feels so soft. Okay. And I'll be swatching here. I was watching, and my sister-in-law called so we could warm up the food that we made yesterday. Oh yeah, yesterday I made some chiles rellenos. They're good. Trust me, I cook so good. Oh, if you guys want to learn how to cook or do things, just comment down below what kind of food you guys will want me to make for you guys know how to make it. Like a follow through recipe. Who knows? I'll do it. I just don't want to base my channel on makeup and stuff. Like, nah, I want to do every little things, like pranks, like every little thing. Seriously, I do. I feel that makeup is too like overpopulated, so I don't want to be based on that pretty much. I want to be based more of anything. I want to do try-ons, like clothes try-ons. I don't know what they're called. I want to do like DIYs or how to make this or how to make that, vlogs, a day with me, things about me, Q&A questions, who knows. On July we'll be traveling to Mexico, and well, I'm gonna do a video on that. Like, I'm planning on doing like the day I'm leaving and how I get there. I'll probably pretty much put that as part 1, and then if I go somewhere nice and I decide to video record, I will do that, and that will be like on that day, like only based on that day. And then I live in like a small little town. I don't live anymore, but I used to live there. There's where my parents are at. There's like a little hill that we could just go later on, and like a hike, go to hiking and then just see the view. Probably gonna do this as second video, third video, who knows. And then once I come back, I'll do like the overall what I did the whole week. Hopefully do it, which I'm planning to do that, but you know. Okay, so these are swatching. Okay, I'm done swatching. Okay, I need to hurry up because my sister-in-law is gonna come and they're gonna use the bed, and I need to get out of here. Okay, so these are the swatching. First one is Dance Floor. Second one is Premiere. Third one is Illuster. The shiny light one is Headliner. That bronzer is Backstage, and that one is Autograph. And it looks so perfect. So that concludes with my BoxyCharm for June. If you guys like it, let me know, and